In this instructional video, I will demonstrate how to register a domain name on Google Domains in a step-by-step manner. By following along with me, you will know exactly what to do. The first step is to head to Domains. Google and search for your desired domain name. For example, let's say I want to search for tutorial guide on YouTube with a .com extension. I can click Get It to see if it's available for purchase. Google Domains will inform me if it is available. I have the option to purchase extensions other than .com such as Wkiyoki Art and .ea. It's important to note that if the ec.com domain is not available, it's best to choose a different domain name or opt for a different extension. .com. Domains are preferred by Google and are more likely to rank higher in search results. Once you have chosen your domain name and clicked Add to Cart, you will need to log into your Google Domains account, double-check your domain name spelling, and choose your registration period. Registering for 1 year with auto-renewal is a good option. Ensure that you also have privacy protection activated. When you are ready to check out, choose your desired payment method such as PayPal and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. After the payment process, you will be redirected to your domain's backend. Check that it renews after 1 year and head over to My Domains to confirm that your new domain is added. Congratulations! You have now successfully registered a domain on Google Domains. I hope this video has helped you learn the process.